How to check if your iPhone is original or fake. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the General option and tap on it. Inside the General menu, tap on About at the very top. This section provides a comprehensive overview of your device's vital information. Now, find your serial number, then press and hold it to copy the text. For more details, you can copy the serial number by long pressing it. Now, go back to the home screen and open up the Safari web application. Tap on the text field of the search option and type in checkcoverage.apple.com. This will redirect you to Apple's Coverage Check website. On this page, paste the serial number into the designated field as shown. Afterwards, enter the characters from the image to continue, and tap Submit. The following page will then display your device's warranty status and coverage details. Following these steps, you can easily check if your iPhone is original or fake.